Hello, I'm Dan Yu, owner of Robert's Computer Company, also known as RCC Computers. Robert's Computer Company is a computer repair company in Belleville, New Jersey that first opened shop in Bloomfield, New Jersey in 1993 by its founder, Paul Simone. RCC Computers specializes in on-site computer repair throughout Essex, Bergen, Hudson, Passaic, Union, and parts of Morris and Sussex counties in New Jersey, as well as remote computer support nationwide. Services offered include computer repair, on-site computer services, remote computer services, small business IT services, remote IT services for business, virus and malware removal, antivirus installation, speed up your computer, custom gaming PCs, data backup and data recovery, tech support, hardware upgrades, app and software installation, configuration and support, fix Windows errors, new computer setup and data migration, operating system installations and upgrades, home network troubleshooting, Wi-Fi range extension, mesh network installation, computer maintenance, email or Outlook setup and support, and forgotten password assistance. Our technicians diagnose and fix hardware issues, resolve software conflicts, and optimize system performance. We remove viruses, malware, and stubborn pop-ups. For businesses, we offer IT support, network maintenance, and data backup solutions. RCC Computers stands out through our experience and qualifications. I hold a BA in Computer Science from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology and a Master's in IT Management from Seoul National University. Our team includes certified technicians with expertise in Windows and Mac. We've built our reputation on results. Our technicians complete most repairs within 24 to 48 hours. For urgent issues, we offer same-day service when possible. We provide both on-site repairs and remote support for quick fixes. Customer satisfaction drives our business. We offer a 30-day guarantee on all repairs. If an issue recurs within 30 days, we'll fix it at no additional cost. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our customers say. Joan T. writes, Mr. Simone was prompt to respond and made the entire experience friendly and knowledgeable. He worked on my 15-year-old Dell, bringing it back to a new and faster life. Joey says, tried to start my computer and was unable to open Windows. After a few hours of watching YouTube help videos, I called a different repair shop who said they would get back to me. After waiting several hours, I finally called Roberts. Paul came and picked up the computer the next morning, Sunday. I received a progress report the next morning, and by Wednesday it was fixed. Paul dropped it off at my home on Saturday and explained exactly what had happened and what he had done. Price was very reasonable, less than I expected. Had to call Paul, who came straight back around as I was unsure on how to download the old programs back onto the computer. Service was excellent, friendly, and courteous. The only place I would go to when I need any repair, help with my computer. Quote, Erica reports, a few weeks ago my computer just stopped working, and at the same time I was writing a letter while it turned off. I did get the computer running but would not stay on. I called Robert's Computer Company and they tried to help me over the phone, and it could not be done, for which it would not stay on. So I took the computer to them to see what the problem was, and they took a look at it and told me what the problem was, and they called me to see if I wanted to put out the money for the parts and repair. I stated yes. 2 days later they had it running without it turning off. What the problem was, but I just used computers, but that okay, they got it running, and I am happy that they did. I really did not have the money to buy a new one. So I know where I go into if the computer or if anyone I know has a problem, we will go back to Robert's Computer Company. They treated me well, and I felt like someone that they will always be there for, and not just anybody. For computer repairs, virus removal, or IT support, contact RCC Computers. Call us at 201-691-8223 or visit our website at rcccomputers.net. We're located at 615 Washington Avenue in Belleville, New Jersey. Remember, at RCC Computers, we treat your technology as if it were our own. We look forward to solving your computer issues and optimizing your systems. Thank you for considering Robert's Computer Company, RCC Computers, for professional computer repair and IT support.